Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to block AI crawlers in Robots.txt. So let's see. First of all, I want to give you a warning. If you want to block a specific section like admin or private pages, it is totally fine. But if you want to block entire website, it is not recommended. Reason is you can get good traffic from AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. So you must understand this. But why website owners block AI boards? You can see that if you have one of the reason from this list, you can block your AI boards. So their business model depends only on paid ads, not getting good traffic in returns, lots of server load and costing. To avoid content scrapping, competitors can use their unique content using AI platforms. So these might be the reasons you can block your entire website. So blocking by user agent wildcard, user agent star, disallow all or disallow admin anything, it will not work for AI crawlers because AI crawlers has a specific bot name. So how to block them? So these are the bots: GPT bots, Cloud bot, Google extended is a Gemini bot, Perplexity bot, CC bot. This is very general bot. Many AI crawlers use Amazon bot, Apple bot, Meta. I mean this is for Facebook, Byte Spider, Diff bot, U bot, Find bot, Niva bot. So many bots you can block. Like you are getting, you can see in your Google Analytics that which platforms having giving you a good traffic like ChatGPT, Cloud or Gemini, Perplexity. So these top four boards I think you should not block if you want SEO on AI traffic. Rest of them you can block if you are running Facebook ads, or you are good in social media, then you should not block Meta as well. Rest of thing I think these are not much important. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.